That's a good idea.
Up to it, right there. Come on. Straighten it out a little. Come on. Come on. Fine, that's all right. You're still good. Come on.
Yeah, you need to definitely come over that big rock.
Come on. That way. Hard. No. Right where you're at. Come on. All right, hold on.
Ooh.
Start climbing again and get off of his own. All right, come on. You're good. Come on. You're good. Come on. Okay. Come on. You're good. Come on. All right, you're clear, man. Just keep it straight. Come on up. All right, hold on. Hold on. You're good. Come on. You're good.
Nice job. Nice job.
Have him take me up the way I brought him, okay?
Okay.
I don't need to direct you. You're so high from it, you can't even. Just come on. I'm watching you. Hey, you literally have 6 inches of clearance over your chunk right now. Go this way just a little. There you go. Oh,
See,
this way hard.
Whoa, that way.
Right there.
Wow.
All right, straighten it out.
Careful.
Keep it straight. Dude, you got some major clearance. I mean, you didn't get close to
Woohoo! A
nothing.
Jeepin' dog. Look at that Jeepin' dog. Woohoo! That dog's smiling. That dog is smiling. Look at it. That's awesome. Look at this rig. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. This thing's sweet. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Look at you smiling. All right, here's what he's gonna do now. All the pansies, me included, are out watching from the side. Ouch. All right. That's good. This way a little bit.
This must be trilling.
Yep. Ooh. This way. Yep, there you go. You're doing easy. Okay, easy. Yeah, you gotta go that way. Yep, straighten out. Yep. Perfect. Wow, I don't know if you're gonna make that. Ooh. Easy, easy. Okay. Oh. Think you want to go this way? Yeah. Right?
I don't know.
Yeah. You're good. Come. Easy. Yep. Okay, that way. Yep. Yep, good. Straighten out. This way a little bit. Yep. Now that way. Yep, perfect. You're perfect. Good job. Way to go. Woohoo, Rubicon.